Mortgage rates are at historic highs, but that doesn't mean you're out of options. The real question is, how do you tap your home's equity without losing the advantage of your current low-rate loan? Mortgage Pro, Scott Bridges, Chief Consumer Direct Lending Production Officer at PennyMac, shares when refinancing actually makes sense and when you might be better off sticking with what you've got. Point 1. Start with your why. Refinancing works best when it's tied to a clear purpose, like knocking out high-interest debt, funding a renovation, or reshaping your loan to fit your lifestyle. As Bridges says, the key is what the purpose of the funds are, and if that outweighs any closing costs or changes in rate or payment, knowing your why can help you turn a higher rate environment into a strategy that still benefits you. Point 2. Understand your options. With today's historic mortgage rates, a full cash-out refinance often means replacing your low-rate loan with a much higher one. That could raise your monthly payment by hundreds. Bridges points out that if you have a historically low rate on your first mortgage, it'll probably make more sense to get a home equity loan. That way, you tap equity without losing that golden low-rate loan. Point 3. Equity isn't a free-for-all. Lenders look at your loan-to-value ratio to see how much you can access. Keep your combined LTV under 80%, and you'll usually avoid extra costs like private mortgage insurance. And finally, use that equity with purpose. Good reasons: paying off 20% credit card debt, funding value-boosting home renovations, or investing in education. Risky reasons? Treating it like an ATM. Bridges warns, a common pitfall after consolidating debt is viewing your new zero-balance credit cards as a source of spending and running them back up again. Even with today's high rates, refinancing or using a home equity loan can be a smart move if it's tied to the right goal. With a clear plan, you're not just stuck waiting for rates to drop. You're making your home's equity work for you today. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.